How to add song to Instagram story. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Besnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can add song to Instagram story. Now the process itself is quite simple and quite easy. First things first, you'll have to make sure that your Instagram application is updated to the latest version. You want to head into your Play Store or App Store, and there you want to search in for Instagram, and if your app isn't updated, you'll find the update option instead of the open option that you can see on the screen, and you want to simply tap on update and update it. Once you have updated it, you want to open Instagram. At the top left, you'll find your story option, right? You can simply tap on it there, and you can see here you can choose any picture that you want. Once you choose it, I'll just take a quick picture here. So here you can see I've taken the picture. Once you take the picture, what you want to do is at the top of the screen you'll find various icons, right? There you can see the music icon as well. You want to simply tap on it and you'll be able to choose music or add music. If you don't find the icon here, you want to type on the stickers icon here, tap on it, and then you can see the music option here. Tap on music and you'll get the music option. So this way, once you tap on it, and you'll be able to add music. Simply tap on it and select the song and select the part that you wish to add, and it'll be added here. So this way you can add music to Instagram story. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.